Hi, my name is Elton Hall, and I'm here at Texas Ed Optical in Austin, Texas. Here on behalf of Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to care for your contact lenses. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Clear Care. Now, this is a disinfectant solution there. Now, you cannot put this directly on the contact lens and then put it directly in your eye because it'll burn, and it doesn't feel good, and you would hate us for it. But what you're going to do, you're going to take your case. It's a little flip-top case there. You're going to put the contact lens. There's an R for the right. Put the contact lens in here, just like that, in the little basket. Close it up. Okay. You're going to take the solution and fill the case up to the halfway mark, just like that, right there to the tip. And then it has it right there with the solution. Now, what's going to happen is this solution is going to react with this disc right here. It's going to foam and fizz, and it's going to do its little effervescent thing there. But you're going to take the contact lens and put it directly in the case, close it up. Make sure that you put it by the sink. This disc is going to react with this solution. It's going to foam and fizz. See the little action there? But it's going to foam and fizz. You need to make sure that you leave your contact lens, in this case, in the solution for 6 hours. What happens is, after the 6 hours, it turns the dirty solution into clean, sterile saline solution. So you can actually take your contact lens directly out of here. After the 6 hours, it has to be 6 hours. But after the 6 hours, you can take your contact lens out of solution and put it directly in your eye. If you need to rinse it off with anything, if you don't have anything at home, you could buy a saline solution, just a sterile saline solution, and you can actually rinse that contact lens off with it before you insert it in your eye.